happening, guys? How's it going? We've got a banger for you today. This is called the Ivy House. Ivy House. Mr. Fighters has been here. We just had to come and check this place out. The gate's wide open. Oh my god. The windows are boarded. The windows have got fresh boards on.
No, it should be right in the back, it should be open.
Oh shit, check this, guys. Show certificates. If this is in the house, if this is in here, guys, what's in the house, in it? So one look over here before. Shout out to everyone who's been here. A nice one for the SOT crew, passing me this one, showing us this place. Oh, it's a bit wet there. It's like an air raid shelter, that. Or it's a car. Stuff, guys, all everywhere. This is the Volvo. Found the Volvo, guys. Oh, there's another car around there as well. Let's have a look. Oh, it's red interior. Volvo life. It's a bit of splodge. Oh. Caravan. Caravan's done. Oh my god. The Ivy House live. Looks like someone's been here recent. By the footprints. Oh my god. That's just sunk in the ground, hasn't it, that? You can see the springs popping out the front. That's awesome. Oh, no way.
It's good, isn't it?
That's proper like is that ceramic? Summit.
Like big glazed
Cast iron.
Yeah. That's it.
I've seen it, I've been that way. Oh, look up here. Someone's been through this, hasn't he? Oh my god. I don't think I'll be going in there. Do not open. Plates, something. Oh shit. There we go. It's full, guys. Literally. Like the bath. Let's go have a look in this house then, eh? It's just that much stuff, guys, in these sheds. Little workstation. Crazy, man. Got the beast today, guys. Oh my god. It's just stuff, guys, everywhere. A torch on. No fridge. We're in, guys. We're in the Ivy house. Oh, that's what you're pissing. Crazy. Good old Ivy house. Oh, where's the bike gone? Right, see you. There we go, guys. Just all the stuff's everywhere. Hello, Matt. Crazy. The stained glass as well. I'm just pinning now. Feel creepy up there. Yeah. Don't feel that creepy. I've been in worse places. Yo, the Morse alphabet? No way. Morse code, guys. That's crazy. You just found that. Some banging shots in here. Diary and that. More Morse code, probably. No. Crazy. How's our spinto? Mr. Farter's called this place Body Under the Bath or something. The body under the bath. And everyone says it's like proper haunted. With Verbeck's mic. Oh yeah, that's it, I wanted to look at that. Just a bed. Oh, nice. Big beefy wardrobe. I'm trying to do kill me. Bathroom. Someone's nipped the fucking light switches. Oh, the Zimmer frame in there. Some flowers. That mould on that wall. Wow. Oh yeah, I've seen this. The budgie cage, guys. That's what I've seen last time as well. Look at this, guys. That's awesome, man. And the fireplace. Oh, needles. Nice one. That's it, that's dead, that. Oh yeah. Project Urbex, shout out. Web 7 photography. Seen these syringes on the windowsill?
That's not very nice.
With the needle on as well. There's some on that shelf as well, I think, go by the fire. So watch out, innit? They're all in the corners and everything. I'm talking about the needles, guys. Really disgusting it is. Hope I'm going to get some cinematics. Yo, why is there a TV aerial up here? Just the Hoover guys in the scary attic. I've been at the scary attic. The scary attic. Think I'll get some shots in. I know I'm going to stand on the stairs, that's where it happens, isn't it? It's one of them, isn't it? Is there any spirits in the building? Speak through my camera. Let me know if you hear anything, guys. Doing Exploring with Fighters episode. There's something falls down the stairs. Battery's dying. Battery's dying, guys. Why does my battery die when I say, is there any spirits in the building? And now my battery's flashing. Crazy, man, crazy.
Camera just turns off.
Yeah, the camera just turns off.
Camera turns off.
What's that in the mirror? That what do they say in the mirror 3 times?
Bloody Mary.
Bloody Mary, that's
God,
it.
God, please don't. God.
Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary 1, 2, 3. Come and follow me.
God, please don't.
Crazy. Right, so I'm going to call it, guys. Hope you liked the video. This was the Ivy house. So smash that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you next time on these great adventures. I'll probably put a better GoPro footage in because my camera's dying. Wow, literally dying, guys. Blur on. Crazy. See you on the next one.